bathi bangena ngenduku same time umsholozi uvulile amasango ingelosi la empilweni yami sanbonani pick up sanbonani like I hope you guys are well. So the signature greeting yami leyo nto leyo ngithi sanbonani like I hope you guys are well, but inkinga ningiphendula nangiphendula namhlanje. Oh, ngaze ngajabula we guys. Still waiting for your response on WhatsApp. On WhatsApp? What did you say, Kanyo? Sanibonani guys, ngiyaphila mina, ngiyathemba ukuthi nani niyaphila. Imoto ngiyithenga nini? Angeke nje. Nkosi yami, uDecember usufikile, nkosi yami, uChristmas nizokwehla ngani? Mina ngizokwehla ngebhala, but nina kufanele nehle ngalo. Nayizo nto engishoyo. Kuyadlala nzithano zami, ngiyathemba ukuthi niyaphila guys. Mina ngiyaphila. Oh shame. You guys carry me shame kulama live. But inkinga yenu nkosi yami. Nithi nje cha. Ukukubuka kusona phela sande sokubuka, but musu ucabanga ukuthi uzothenga imoto ngoba imoto ngeke siyithenge. Noma sayithenga somewhere else. Khona sesosi ngimzibile WhatsApp. What did you say? What did you say? The only reason why, the only reason why I would not respond to a WhatsApp text is if texting about something that's not related to work. Hi Refilwe, thank you so much my babe. Ngiyabonga. That's like the only reason why I wouldn't respond is if you text me about something not related to work. But if it's related to work, kukancane ukuthi ngingakuphenduli. Those small Hyundai trucks starts from how much? Yanda ungavele uthi small Hyundai trucks thandwa sami yazi shona ukuthi ufuna liphi truck. Noma if kukuthi unesithombe kuphela, just send me that picture on WhatsApp so I can know which one you are talking about. You know, let me just leave my WhatsApp number here so that you can just take my WhatsApp number, get a picture of that truck, send me a message on WhatsApp so I can assist you accordingly. Because if sikul manje like uti those small Hyundai trucks, you might be talking about something else and I might interpret it in a so it's best uti send about guys if you don't know or the description of whichever car you're looking for. Vele uthathe number yami, if ungayitholanga kwi live ithathe kwi bio yami, usend WhatsApp. I asked for a quotation for Starlet XS and Apollo Vivo 2025. You're asking for a quotation or you are looking to buy those cars? Noma uthi nje ucela ngikwenzele i-quotation nje in general. Like ngikwenzele i-quote nje ngikunike. Like we are still shopping around. Like that's what I'm trying to understand. Yebo. Hi Ngunezi, I hope you are well. Ngihleli lapha ngithenga, anizile uzothenga imoto. Thenga ngisho amaphoyisa la uthi ngimkhombise. Eshangenibone naya ukuthi imoto ya metro. Naya yebo. Hawu akubonakala uthi ngiphendule. Tada. Okay. I-quote ke mama ijwayele ukuhamba ne-price yemoto ebese izohamba ne-service and delivery fee, okay? So basically yeke if i-quote isa empty nje ngenalutho ihamba nalezo zinto kuphela. So awukho umehluko if ngikutshela mina ukuthi i-Starlet ngenze example, i-Starlet 269, then you're gonna add a delivery fee of 4.7 So that's 269 plus 4.7. We told you the actual price you're gonna get on the quote. That's all. Because because if I'm doing a quote for you, I'm gonna need your ID, I'm gonna need your email address, I'm gonna need your number, I'm gonna need so many things. So imagine going through the administration of sending all those things only because you need a quote, of which there's nothing, angazi noma kuyayenza any sense. But yeah, ngisho kanjalo ke, it's just the actual price of the car as well as the delivery fee. And then obviously once you buy the car, once you get an approval, there's obviously gonna be stuff added on. I can't add licensing the car before we even know if you approved or not. Hyundai H100. Ngizokudouble checkela ke yaza yanda uthi khona yini, but esinayo njengamanje sinama JAC ama X200s. Ama JAC. Hyundai asinawo live flow, but sendele message WhatsApp usho ukuthi uyanda, and then mase ngitholile ke feedback, I will let you know. But nje don't panic. Ayikho imoto esinganayo ayikho imoto esinganayo, unless ufuna ama-quantum ke ama-quantum asinawo zithandwa zami. But imoto nje kubokwazo, yonke imoto efunayo uyayithola. And ke kumnandi ke because ama-omoda sina nama-demo. So if awukwazi uku-afford brand new umoda uyakwazi ukuthatha i-demo, and into emnandi ke ngedemo iphuma nayo i-service fee ne-warranty yemoto. And the omoda has a service fee of 5 years unlimited kilometers. Wena uyatholakala mawufuna ukuthenga imoto ya X6. Which X6? BMW X6. If you BMW X6 khona kade ikhona la, it was 1.2 million, but sayithengiwe. From someone that is self-employed, what would you need? I would need your ID, your license, your 6 months bank statement, and then ke bese kuba email address, physical address, next of kin details yabo. But nje okubalekile is the documents. So it's your ID, your license, as well as your 6 months bank statements, recent bank statements, not old bank statements. And if you want to bank more than one, you send both bank statements just to be safe, kuze nabo bezokwazi ibank ukubona ini affordability. These are girls. Yo wena wazwana isicefe. Siyabonga Khethelo ngema Rose kusiyamaza wasithwala kule live. Siyabonga. Okhethelo ufaka ama Rose nina shothi thengani imoto ke. Yabo le moto engihleli kuyona guys, it's a JAC T9 Elux. JAC T9 Elux. It comes with leather seats, automatic, ISOFIX. If ukuthi umuntu onengane, ISOFIX is very beneficial for you. Cruise control, lane assist. It has a lot of cool features. Steering out. When you buy a car cash, are there any documents needed? Yes, your ID and your license. Your ID and your license. Bese kuba proof of payment. Phela. But ama bank statement, ama payslip asiwanidi. Sidinga nje proof ukuthi wena ukhokhile. Bese kuba i-ID ne-license ke bese ke sesiqedile ke sisi. Fast. Siswami uNkulunkulu engathenga nawo. Drive to journey kukhanya kwemhlophe. Siphumelele imoto. Hawu ngiyabonga Pete Khethelo. Hawu Khethelo. Oh. What if you don't have an ID, then you're not buying a car? No ID, no car. It's as simple as that. Because how are you gonna register that car? Unless if you're buying it for someone, but nje. Is it possible to get a Suzuki Fronx for 4.5? No. Suzuki Fronx is not 4.5 standard, Sam. your credit score is perfect impela 656, minimum requirement yethu u611. Credit score right, but i-budget eish izobancane kakhulu mama. At least asinyuse sithi mhlambe sizame ko 6.56 because the cash price yayo it's 339,990. Yabo into engishoyo. So 4.5 incane kakhulu. 4.5 kungaba imoto ewu200 and something. Ibona imoto etholayo ngo4.5 less. Ama Grand i10, ama Toyota Vitz, ama Atos, Hyundai Atos, Tata Tiago, yabo. Yilona lezo imoto ke lezo. Ongadingi nokuthi uzube ne credit score enkulu. But wena imoto ongayithola ngo4.5 engasona 4.5 ongayithola due to i-credit score enhle imoto engabe u5,000. Yo ibhetshi yami izophela. What the hell bazalwane? Yeah, so guys, if you're looking to buy a car, just take my number and send me a message on WhatsApp. Ngisho ngosufuna ukuyithenga next year. Wena nje ungazisa ukuthi okay phela Sunday ngifuna imoto kanje. And manje ke ngoba seku December ke sinama Polo a brand new. Kubangani bami bathanda ama Polo a brand new awo 279,000. Cabanga nje lapha iPolo libizani ke. 279,990 and it's brand new Polo. It's manually operated. Asufuna automatic uzowuthola nawo, but phela obviously price ka auto ithe ukuthi xaxa. So nje yeah, nina guys nje bese uyilungiselele, ulungise credit score yakho, ulungise ID yakho, ulungise license, ulungise onke ama documents, usend message WhatsApp wami usho ukuthi yena hayi bo phela Sandi ngizwe uthi ufuna ama documents for abafuna imoto nawa faka wafaki. Ngize ngibuze nokuthi ha ubingelele ngani, ngeke ngibuze. Kashiselwa ke yazi kodwa kuyashisa kule moto. Guys, am I the only one who always wakes up tired? Like njalo mangivuka ngihlezi ngivuka ngozela. Ikhonto njalo. Ayithi ngivuka ngikhathele, like ngikhathele ngathi ngaqhubeka ngilale. Yo. But phela siyavuka phela. Sizothini? Sawukhulekela sawuthola.